watching. Make a love shout out to all. Sabi ni Sis Lizelle. Siya pa man dyan. Thanks, my dear Mama Ball. Oh, there's a white egret. Oh, so cute. Oh, it's a heron. Nice. That's I forgot what kind of restaurant. There's like a seafood restaurant. I forgot the name. But I think it's closed now. Okay. I'm about here in the middle. Chinalakman. Make a love shout out, Lizelle. Sabi ni Wonderbag. Abdu. Wonderbag, what's in the bag? Oh. Oh, you found a fish. What you got there, seagull? What are you eating? What is that? Oy. What are you eating? Abdu. What time is it there, Abdu, in your area, in your country? It's 12:57 here in Florida. I don't know what the seagull is eating. Oh, don't attack me. He was flying towards me. I see what's the seagull we're eating. Oh, don't poop on me. Oh, he was eating a doggy poop. Ew. Gross. He must be hungry. Poor baby. 1958 at na. I'm from Morocco. Oh, hi, Morocco. Beautiful. Good food, ha? Morocco. Well, my nose is runny now. Morocco, Marrakesh. I watch a lot of movies that's made in there. I love action movies with comedy. Did you see that seagull? Last time they were trying to get some bread. Well, I think I'm gonna go to the car now because my hands is being frozen. My frozen hands. Oh, look at the birds.